The new light fixture is going to go over our bathtub. Got some little shades on it. Shouldn't be too complicated. Here's the little shades instead of globes. Haven't done much except screwed this stem here on it. We'll see. We'll put it right there. We'll hang by the chain. I'm going to see what kind of length I need. I'll show you how to put this thing up. So here's all the parts. This is what goes against the ceiling. Here's a chain. Here's the thing that goes in the box that's in the ceiling. And here's some wire nuts and screws. So that's all that's to it. You got a ground wire, which is the bare wire, and then two, get it focused. Two wires, one's hot, one's neutral. It don't matter which one is which. So we'll hook a black and a white, and the green will go to the ground. Should be pretty straightforward. Make sure that the power is off. So we got this on a switch. I'll make sure the switch is off, check it for current, and then we'll strip those wires back, make the connection. So here I'm trying to put the, actually I'm getting the length on the wires, cutting some of the wiring off, trying to leave a little extra. You can always push it up in the box, but you can't, it's much harder to add wire to it. So I'll cut them to length and then strip back the insulation from them, expose the bare wire. So then the wire has to go through the I don't know what you call that thing. It goes up against the ceiling, and then it goes through the threaded little rod that's on the bracket that's in the box. And I was having trouble getting it through that little rod. I kept trying to push it through, just couldn't get it. My arms started getting tired holding that light fixture up. I ended up taking the bracket down so I could get it down on the ground so I could mess with it. And it actually got the wires through the little threaded piece and then reattached the bracket. That way I can make my connections next. Finally got that. All we have to do make these connections, which if you'll give me those wire ties or wire nuts over there on the counter. Those wire nuts come with the lights. The bare wire, uninsulated, goes to the uninsulated one. Actually, I think I'm going to strip some of this, a little bit more back on these. black to one side. White on the other. Wires back in the box. I'm actually going to put a light bulb in it, switch it on, see if it works before I button everything up. Huh. Nothing. Problem is, I'm going to switch off. First switch. I know what it is. I know what it is. So these two lights, pendant lights, they're wired in with this one. So the power comes to this light, over to this one, back to here. Since I don't have either one of these lights here, that connection, that circuit is broken. Therefore, it's not feeding power here. So until we put the pendant lights up here, this one here is not going to work. So I'll finish up the process here. Just hide the wires in the box. Push them back up in here. And then this will screw on. We had it earlier. There it is. We'll get the little shades. Well, looks like it's being up.
There's a plastic on them.
You can't leave plastic on.
Till you get done with the sheetrock.
We'll hide him in the back. It's not broken, it's just it was dent. It was dented. Anyway.
Go ahead and take it off.
So these just
This lock, what did we get? Home Depot? No, Lowe's. Where did we get this?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. And then where they go on, they just fit like that. Easy. Alright, we got some matching pendant lights to go with it. We got the little same design. These don't have the shades, they got globes, but these will go up next. I don't think there's much to it, which I thought the same about the other light too, so it's the way it goes sometimes. Oh, this is a 3-pack. And these hang from a wire. Anyway, so here's one. They got the same, I don't know what you call that, whatever that thing is. Here's the globes. Oh, so here's one put together. There's what they look like. The same deal. A little bracket that goes to the box. Got some wire nuts and hopefully the screws to mount the bracket. Make a wire connection. And that'll be it. And then we'll pop bubbles to get rid of all the stress it took to mount these things.